Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to make our X account private, and we are going to lock our account. Then on top left you see image, profile image, so click on it, and then you see setting and support, so click on it, and then again you see setting and privacy, so again click on it. So we are in setting and privacy section. Now you see multiple option, and then you see privacy and safety, so click on it, and then we are in privacy and safety section. Now you see audience and tagging, manage what information you allow other people on X to see, so click on it, and then you see protect your post, only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your post, enable this option. So after that your account will be locked and protected, so only your followers or approved user can see your post. Also if you want, you can protect your videos also like this. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.